Now, one activity is given here to demonstrate the high magnitude of atmospheric pressure. So, that is the aim of the activity. We'll require the materials, a can which is having a tight lid, Bunsen burner and a pair of tongs. Tongs is used to lift something in the labs and all. Now, in the procedure, what we'll do, we'll pour water in the can. That is up to 1/4 the volume of the can. Then we'll heat the can on the flame and we'll hold it with the help of tongs. Now, as the water starts boiling, we tighten the lid and allow the can to cool. Now, observation is that on cooling, the can collapses. So, what is the conclusion of this activity? On heating, the water turns into steam, which on cooling turns back into water. So, this you must have experienced. Because of the tight lid, the air pressure reduces inside the can and thus the high atmospheric pressure crushes or collapses the can. Now, how do we measure atmospheric pressure? Now, pressure at the surface of Earth is measured with an instrument which is known as barometer. So, most commonly used barometer is the mercury barometer. You can see the diagram is given here. Diagram of the mercury barometer. A mercury barometer consists of a glass tube filled with liquid mercury that is closed at one end. The tube stands inverted on the open end, which is submerged in a reservoir of mercury exposed to air. So you can see the diagram here. Now when the atmospheric pressure increases, it forces the liquid mercury in the reservoir and level of the mercury rises in the glass tube. I hope all of you know. So it is measured in millimeter. So you can see 760 millimeter Hg. Hg is the symbol of mercury. Now when the air pressure decreases, the mercury from the glass tube drains out. So level of mercury in the glass tube determines the exact atmospheric pressure. So this is why atmospheric pressure is measured in terms of height of the mercury column as millimeter of mercury, and we write it as millimeter Hg instead of Pascal. So accurate air pressure at the sea level is 760 millimeter Hg. So I hope this is clear. So we measure atmospheric pressure with an instrument known as barometer. You can see the diagram which is given here, and I will send the related videos also. Now, applications of atmospheric pressure. Now first is working of a syringe. I hope all of you have seen a syringe. Children play also. They fill water in the syringe and then play with that. So when the piston of a syringe is pulled outward, even the pichkari also, which we used in Holi, works on the same principle. So when the piston of a syringe is pulled outward, the air pressure reduces. So large air pressure outside forces the liquid to get filled inside a syringe. You can see picture is also given here. Next is vacuum cleaner. Now a vacuum cleaner is turned on the air inside. The cleaner sucks out. It reduces the pressure inside the vacuum cleaner. The atmospheric pressure, which is much higher in magnitude than the inside pressure, it forces the dust particles into the vacuum cleaner and helps in cleaning. Drinking from a straw. So all of us drink cold drinks or other liquids, juice and all with the help of straw. So when we suck through a straw, the pressure inside the straw is reduced and the higher pressure outside it forces the liquid from the glass into the straw and hence into our mouth. Now you must have noticed when the liquid is almost over, then that straw makes noise. Now rubber suckers. When the sucker hits the wall or a glass surface, the air inside it is forced out, reducing the pressure inside. And the higher atmospheric pressure outside holds the sucker firmly in its place. So rubber suckers and all, they are used in a number of toys and all, even to hang something in the almirah and all, they are used. So barometer help us to forecast weather as they predict changes in air pressure, which are the basis of changes in weather. Decrease indicates the arrival of stormy weather, while a steady high pressure indicates clear weather. So I have sent the answers of checkpoint. So that completes your chapter. If there is any problem, we'll discuss it. Thank you.